The Hat Man. What's up, homies? Do you love or hate McDonald's? What about Coca-Cola? Interesting. Awesome, then you're gonna love today's video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, if you want to show your love and your hate for fast food and soda. So today I've got this cute little mid-2000s treasure here. It's a McDonald's branded MP3 player with Coca-Cola content included. You may be asking yourself, what in the bloody hell are you on about this time? And to that I say, calm the heck down. You're not yourself when you're hungry. Please have a Snickers. Anyway, I bought this thing from Japan via Sendico last year when I was surfing for Toshiba Gigabit MP3 players. I saw something unrelated, went on several search tangents, and then I found this bad boy for like 10 USD. I was stoked, so I bought it immediately. I love finding weird little branded things like this that have at least a little bit of utility. It grants me a weird kind of happiness, despite the fact that the item is next to useless for me. So then, fast forward some number of weeks, and it arrives to my house. I tried it out, and learned that it has a bunch of Japanese McDonald's and Coca-Cola advertising songs from decades ago. It was a kind of magical listening moment, hearing these jingles that Japanese people grew up with and remember for the first time. Now, that my backstory is out of the way, let's take a look at what this thing comes with, and then I'll tell you what's so special about it. Okay, here is the box. Looks pretty cute, right? Don't mind that. That's a oopsie doopsie that the previous owner made. Coca-Cola, McDonald's. Okay. There it is. There she blows. It's sticky. Yep, it's that time. We gotta put on the nasty gloves. Well, the gloves that prevent the nasty. 'Cause this thing is sticky and gross. It's turning back into tar from whence it came. Okay. I have my armor. Let's just dive right in, shall we? So, of course, we have the player, headphones, here's the USB cable, good old-fashioned A to A. Yeah, it's an extension cable. Didn't see that coming, did ya? Yeah, it's not mini USB, because this thing is a USB stick in of itself. And then after this little tray, you've got a little manual. It's all in Japanese, of course, because this was a Japanese exclusive little McDonald's item. Tells you everything you need to know in Japanese. So I can't read it, but maybe someone else can. Oh, spoilers. It has a cap. Yeah. Not useful to me, but it's good to have for the complete set. Then, of course, we've got this little paper with an official sticker of sorts. Jas Rack. I don't know what that is, or who it is, or what. But this is the song list. This has all the songs on it. I can't read all of it, because most of it is in Japanese. But yeah, there's 2 McDonald's exclusive ones I can see, and then I see some Coca-Cola ones. Come on in, Coke, 1979. Yes, Coke, yes, 1982. Yes, Coke, yes, 1983. I Feel Coke, 1987. Weird names, but yeah. So that's that. Then, of course, is the little MP3 driver disc, the little dingus disc. Not useful to me. And then the most tragic part of this all, the missing McDonald's sticker. Yeah, I don't know what the sticker would have looked like. I don't know what it could possibly be, but it's gotta be McDonald's branded, of course. At least the seller had the mind to leave this where it came from. So we know there was a sticker, but there's no sticker here for us. So rip in pieces. So we saw this. Put that over there. Now, oh, oops. This goes over there too. Alright, let's take a peek at these weird headphones. So, we've got the jack, and it leads into a circle for some reason. So this end is the bottom. This would plug into your drive player thing, and this little nubbin thing would supposed to come out. There we go. And you plug it into here. And then you have this lanyard thing with the earbuds connected to it, spread out like this. It's very, very weird. Yeah, so you can wear this like a necklace and then, I guess, show off your McDonald's bling while you listen to your McDonald's tunes and your Coca-Cola tunes. Can't forget those. This is in collaboration with Coca-Cola. That aside, let's take a look at the meat of this product. Oh god, it's so sticky. I have to peel it off. Ah. Oof. It's kind of gross. It's a little worse than when I bought it. On the bright side, the little cover sticker is still here, so that screen is mint. It's perfect. You just, can't reveal it. Otherwise, it'll get gross. So here we got a keychain thingy. We got the McDonald's logo. We got the Always Music logo with McDonald's attached to it. Ooh, look at that. Shiny. Let's see. Got a little sticker here. 128 megabytes. Wow. That is a lot, wouldn't you say? Oh, God. We got a little joystick that goes left and right. That's weird. Very weird. We got your hold button, your head jack, phone hole. I said that wrong. Volume buttons, a cat fur that's stuck to it because this thing is sticky. And then the battery compartment, which I put a battery in already. It should still be alive. Now, let's take a look at the powered on state thing, stuff. Turn on, please. I have an idea. If this is any kind of quality, it will turn on just by plugging it in. There we go. You see that? Awesome sauce. It's jumped right into a Coca-Cola jingle. Okay, alright. Oh, dude. I don't know if you can see it. It was flashing little colors and a little animation. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a little LED right there that shines different colors. Alright, so here's the features. Music, record, voice. Wouldn't that be the same as record, or is this playback for the recordings? Probably playback. And system. Oh, and exit, I guess. Now how do I... Oh, I can press in on the joystick thing. Oops, I turned it off. I do not know how to control this thing. Let's hear a little bit of this jingle. Coca-Cola, 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 well, that was interesting. So you're probably wondering, why is this interesting at all, aside from the music? Well, it turns out that this was a 1 in 10,000 winner prize for McDonald's at the time, and I'll put a screenshot of some pictures on the screen showing off the advertisement, and then one of the cups that you could win off of. And so that's cool and all, but it turns out that these things came with spyware loaded on them somehow, and it was a whole fiasco. McDonald's gave out 10,000 pieces of virus-infested music devices. And since this is the kind that plugs into your computer, imagine people winning this and being like, all right, I got a cute little music player. Back in, 2006, I think? I'll put the year on the screen, if I got it right or wrong, regardless. And so, people could take this to work, plug it into their work computer, bada bing, bada boom, the virus that loads itself immediately is now sending data from your company to whoever it is that somehow got this thing infected. All 10,000. And so McDonald's was like, uh-oh, Spaghetti-O, let's start a 24-hour hotline to help everyone affected. And I think there was a recall as well. So these things caused a lot of trouble for McDonald's in Japan. 10,000 potential virus-infected computers thanks to a sweepstakes that was supposed to be fun and cute. So, rest in pieces anyone who lost their data. And rest in pieces me for not knowing that when I plugged it into my computer a year ago. I wonder if that gave me problems. I don't know. It's an old virus that is definitely in the databases by now, but who knows? Maybe it squeaked by, and the problem I had in the past that led me to refresh Windows was caused by this. I don't know. No way to know. But, yeah. When you get stuff online, I guess, the lesson is check to see if it was an item that had a recall. Yeah. It's a weird little piece. Weird little piece that is very sticky and gross. Oh, so gross.
Look at it. It looks so pretty. Until you look a little closer.
Alright, that's enough of that. So, I'll put a picture of the music list up on the screen right now, so that if you know Japanese, you can know what songs are on it. And, yeah. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this little piece of McDonald's history. And, you know, Japan gets all these cool things in general. So, when it comes to promotion, Japan always gets these interesting things, and over here in the States, not so much. I mean, there's a McDonald's anime commercial that's for recruiting. Like, if I had seen that growing up, I'd be like, hell yeah, I'm working at McDonald's. Because that thing was lit. It was pretty, oh man, good production and everything. But yeah, we don't get stuff like that in the States often, at all. But that's okay. Over here, well, things are different. A little more bleak. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye-bye.